connections are made as shown in the circuit diagram. Properly select the capacitance value. This is the variable capacitance you should connect 0.1 microfarad. Next, 5-volt power supply is required. If the proper connections are done, afterwards switch on the power supply, CRO and the function generator. If proper voltage and frequency is set, connection is correct, then after switch on you are going to get the inputs and outputs in the CRO. Square wave is input and whatever you are seeing in the bottom, that is output. For the proper output, 1 kilohertz frequency and the 2 volts knob in the function generator you have to set. Afterwards you have to use the variable voltage in the function generator. You have to just vary that voltage knob. You are going to get this voltage for the 0.1 microfarad. After getting this 0.1 microfarad, you have to change it for the 0.2. When you are changing the 0.2, the pulse width is increasing. So here you are going to see the increased pulse width. So for the proper reading, you have to set the time per division in the CRO. And in the same way you have to do for the 0.3. Then also you can see here pulse width is increasing. For all the pulse width, that is 1.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, you have to note down the pulse width reading in the CRO. This should be verified with the theoretical formula.